you be asking you I'm so fine. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Today I am going to be showing you guys my top primary hair products. That is the products that I must use on every wash day and whenever I want to moisturize my hair. First product I use is the one I use to take out my protective style, and that is I use, sorry guys, that's adjust something. This used to be African Pride 5 essential oils. That's what this used to be. That's what I used to use to take out my protective style, but then I changed it, switched it up, and I made my favorite oil. I made Moringa Oil. If you want to know how I made my Moringa Oil, comment down below, subscribe, share, turn on your post notification, and I will do a video showing you guys how I made this oil. Without further ado, the next, I basically use this to just take out my protective style, give it sleep. My next top tier product is this product I'm about to show you guys. This product I'm about to show you is here you go. If you guys can see, you guys know how to see this, but this is African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. This is the pre-poo I have been hammering about. This is the pre-poo I have been preaching about. This is what I used to put on my hair. This is what I just started incorporating. I used it for my last wash day, and then I lent my younger sister some, and this is the quantity that is remaining. It has basically finished. And I told you guys how my hair is 4D. This something has almost finished, but that is what I used to pre-poo my hair to get it ready for shampoo. If I don't use that, I used to use oils, olive oil. That's what I used to use, because I used to use coconut oil at some point to pre-poo, but my hair was more like coconut oil. After pre-pooing my shampoo, this container is Hawaiian Silky Argan Oil. I finished this early this year, and then I made my black soap shampoo. Black soap shampoo is basically, but if you want to see how I did it, also comment down below and I'll show you guys how I make my face off all the from your hair. I told you guys I'm not really particular about what shampoo I use. I just tried it, and black shampoo actually clarifies your scalp, and I need a clean scalp for healthy hair growth. Yes. And then after shampooing, the next product is, I'm sure most of you can already recognize, this is Mega Growth Anti-Breakage Strengthener Deep Conditioner. I just started using this deep conditioner. I just started using this to deep condition my hair on my previous wash day. And guys, guess, I got it for just 600 naira. And let me show you guys the consistency. This is what it looks like. Yes, this is what it looks like. It's a very thick product. Oh my god! Okay, that was from my hand, but it's a very thick product. My god, the lighting just went down. The lights just went down. No. Light just went down. Okay, it's coming back up. Let me quickly do this video. So that's the conditioner I use. The thick product. It smells really nice. It is amazing. After deep conditioning, I go in with my All-Star steam cap. And guess what, guys, all these products I got it from, majority of my products I got from Cheychi hair care. Hi Uchechi, if you're watching this video, I'm going to put her link to her Instagram page, her phone number down below, so that you guys can hit her up and get all your products. Like, her hair products are crazily affordable. Like, I don't go to, unless I have to, because I got my deep conditioner from a store. Unless I don't go to stores to get the products unless I have to. So I got this steam cap from Uchechi hair care. Cheychi hair care actually. This is the remote, so you just, after your deep conditioner, you plug it, steam your hair, and then wait for 30 minutes. You wait. When it's done, you take it out, one rinse off your deep conditioner, and you are what? You're done. You're basically done. After rinsing out your deep conditioner, you come out with your microfiber towel. I didn't bring that. But then use a microfiber towel to dry your hair. After drying your hair, you now go into my favorite LCG method. Okay guys, my LCG. I now use, I forgot a lot of things. I use my spray bottle, spray water, go in with my, let's see if this can focus. Look at this moisture. Most of my products are African pride, but I'm going to change those products because they're not exactly great, or they were okay, 6/10, because there's coconuts in African pride, so that's just manage to we've done with each container. So after washing and coming out, go in with your leave-in cream. After your spray bottle, spray, go in with leave-in cream, and then I seal this product. Drum roll. This product. This is my grease. This is Blue Magic. This is Blue Magic conditioner hairdress anti-breakage formula, and it is anti-breakage. See, I used it on my last wash day, and this is what it's looking like. I told you guys my hair has been moisturized for over a week. Sorry, there was an accident. My phone fell. So basically, after your leave-in cream, you go in with this All-Star Blue Magic grease. This was the product that kept my hair moisturized for over a week. And then after you put in your grease, go in with your final, no, not your final product, oil. My Moringa oil. I just use it to oil my scalp. You know how we do, oil my scalp. And then after that, final, I'm just showing you guys all my products, my key products. This magic scalp massager, I use it, yes, I use it to massage my scalp once in a while. So I go in with this after I put my oil. After I oil my scalp, I just use it to massage. Let's copy it out. So I use to massage my scalp, and that is all the products I use. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you. Subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so I notify anytime I post a new video. If you gain something from this video, from this topic, please like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video.